the season fall gets its name from the colorful falling leaves of the trees. These leaves are in beautiful warm shades of colors, and this is what gives beauty to this season. So one can collect these leaves from your surroundings, yards, area where you live, and keep them in between the pages of a heavy book for about a week, and they will come out dry and beautiful. Or another option, one can use false leaves from the bunches of false flowers. Because I had none of them at hand, I decided to sketch my leaves on a piece of paper, color them, and cut them out. Any kind of leaves, they look so beautiful when they rustle and quiver in light wind. They look so pretty. I love using glass jars in my home, mason jars, or I repurpose my jam empty bottles or such other bottles. So I am taking two different sizes of glass bottles. I have cleaned them well, taken the lid off, and dried them well. Now I am going to use some white glue or PVA glue or school craft glue, or one can use Mod Podge, and apply a layer over the clear glass and then fix one leaf over it and then go over the leaf again. So I'm going to add leaves all around the glass jar. One can add them at distance from each other in a random fashion, or one can overlap and stick them pretty close to each other. I'm going to do both the varieties, and the clear gaps look so pretty because the light shines through them. Once all the leaves are attached or fixed to the glass jar, I will put a thick coat of Mod Podge or white glue over it, maybe 2 coats or 3 coats as one prefers the look, and then let it dry well for a couple of hours or maybe overnight. The fall leaves glass jars are already looking so pretty, but I'm going to add more rustic and more fall touch to this by adding a jute string onto the neck of these jars. So around the neck of the jar where the threading is made for the lid to get fixed, I'm going to attach my jute string and at the end tie a simple bow to fix it. One can even glue the jute string to this. I'm not doing it so that I can always take it off and maybe replace it with ribbon or use it for some other purpose. Now they are just ready. Put some votive candles in them and they just look amazing. I'm not in favor of very heavy decorating. I like simple decor, and this is a corner of my living room. Here is a round table which is covered with a crochet tablecloth, a wooden lamp with a soft light in it. I have put some dried real cotton flowers and some twigs in a copper vase, and the vase itself is standing inside a Himalayan geometric figure. This is another DIY of mine, and I'll put the video and link in the end of this video. You can watch. It's so easy to make and looks so beautiful. And on my golden leaf tray, which is so beautiful in itself and appreciated by many, I have kept my 2 luminaries or lantern for fall, and they look so gorgeous. The space itself looks so welcoming and beautiful and warm and so pretty. The leaves have taken a new dimension in the presence of the candlelight, and the light itself is trickling out in between the leaves, gives us such a warmth and a happy feeling to this space. I really loved this and enjoyed making this for the challenge. Thanks Kenya for hosting it, and thank you all for watching this video. Until my next video, take care. See you soon.